Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you what to do if your Instagram account has been reported and you're facing restrictions or it's been disabled. When an account gets reported and flagged by Instagram, you should see a notification or message when you try to log in. Instagram typically sends a reason why the account was reported, whether it's due to violating community guidelines, spam, or other issues. First, check your email inbox and spam folder for any messages from Instagram. They will usually send you an email explaining why your account was reported, what actions were taken, and how you can appeal the decision. In the email from Instagram, you may find a link to appeal their decision. Click on the appeal link to request a review of your account. Be sure to explain the situation clearly and provide any additional information that might help Instagram understand why your account shouldn't be restricted. If you didn't receive an email or missed the appeal link, you can go to Instagram Help Center, open a browser, and search for Instagram Help Center. Once you're on the Help Center page, scroll down to Login Issues and click on the relevant link for reporting issues with your account being disabled or reported. In the Help Center, you will be prompted to fill out a form where you can provide details like your username, email address, and the issue you're facing. After submitting the form, Instagram will review your case. Make sure you fill out the form carefully, providing as much detail as possible. Once you submit the form, Instagram will send you a confirmation and start the review process. After submitting the appeal, you will need to wait for Instagram to review your case. This could take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the complexity of the issue. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Once Instagram has reviewed your appeal, you will either restore your account, remove the restriction, or provide further instructions. If your account is restored, you should be able to log in as normal. After recovering your account, it's a good idea to secure it by changing the password, enabling two-factor authentication, and reviewing your privacy settings. And that's it! By following these steps, you can appeal a reported account and potentially recover it. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!